Hey guys, I made a macrame lined tapestry. I used a 6-inch dowel and these 3mm macrame cords. I cut 15 cords at 36 inches. Fold a cord in half to find its center. Place it under the dowel and bring the ends through the loop created, creating a reverse lark's head knot. I used a long black cord to begin making my vertical double half-hitch knots. To do this, leave a bit of cord at the end. Starting from the left side, bring the cord under 2 cords. Then bring it over the 2 cords and through the loop created. Bring it over the 2 cords again and through the loop created. Place the cord under the next 2 cords and repeat the steps. If you're starting from the right side, bring the cord under 2 cords so that it's on the left side. Bring it over the 2 cords and through the loop created and do this twice. Place the cord under the next 2 cords and repeat the steps. I made 6 rows using black cord. For the 7th row, I made 5 knots in natural, followed by 10 knots in black. Then I made 2 rows in black. For the 10th row, I made 9 knots in natural, followed by 6 knots in black. Then I made 2 rows in black. For the 13th row, I made 7 knots in natural, followed by 8 knots in black. Then I made 16 rows in black. For the 30th row, I made 6 knots in black, followed by 9 knots in natural. Then I made 2 rows in black. For the 33rd row, I made 10 knots in black, followed by 5 knots in natural. Then I finished it with 8 rows in black. Using a tapestry needle, weave the end of the cord a few times in the back to secure the ends. Then cut the extra cords. Tie a string to hang it and tuck in the ends. I left 3 inches at the bottom. And here's how it turned out.